Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're going to be overwintering pebbles. Let's get started. Okay, so here's how to overwinter pebbles. So pebbles come back every year. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're just going to be taking the pebble plant, putting it in a pot, like probably putting it in alcohol water or something. So then it can just fall asleep and come back next year. Okay, so we have 3 types of pebbles that we grew this year. We're going to be picking one of each. We have Italianelles, jalapenos, and green bell. So we're going to be picking one of each, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so first let's do the green bell, which is right here. And this is what it looks like. So we're just going to be taking all the pebbles off and cutting down some leaves, then getting rid of the plant and putting it in a pot. Okay, was there actually only one pebble on there? There we go. Stop hiding. Okay, well, let's pull it out. And there you go. Ooh. There we go. Well, into the compost. John Cena! And here's our Italianelle. Okay, any more peppers? Yep. Yeah. I'm expecting these to be a lot harder to pull out. Next step, you gotta trim the long roots. Giving this guy a haircut. Or root cut. You get it? Okay, so now time to pot it, like normally, in our homemade soil. Them in. Get some dough. So pack it in. Then this guy ain't standing that good, so we'll just cut a couple pieces off. Now he's really standing good. And over there. Well, time to trim them up. This is the bell. Well, that's that. Now let's cut these. Time to plant this bad boy up. Okay. You can just put them down to get some soil. Okay, time to pack this guy down. Okay, and this guy is done. Done. Okay, so we got both of these done. So now we're just gonna give them a quick waddle and put them with our other pepper plant. Now we're gonna water them good. Okay, so here are all peppers, our 3 peppers, and it was really fun doing this with you guys. Overwintering peppers, so fun with you. We're gonna take these peppers and put them in the garage until spring, and when spring comes, we'll take them out and plant them back in our garden. And you can do that too. If you want, you can do this, so like you never have to buy peppers again. It's a miracle. Make sure you don't miss out on our Q&A video. Yeah, so I'm still answering some questions. I can answer anything you want. Anything in the whole wide world that you want. So if you're new here, make sure you comment down below and make sure you tell everyone about me and make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!